Are you ready for the future of electric performance SUVs? Kia just dropped some game-changing details about their upcoming 2026 EV9 GT that will blow your mind. This all-new three-row electric beast is going to redefine what an electric SUV can do. But before we reveal the jaw-dropping specs, let me ask you a few questions to pique your curiosity. What if I told you this EV9 GT can outrun some sports cars off the line? How insane would it be if a family hauler could hit 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds? And get this, what if this electric monster could drive over 300 miles on a single charge? If those numbers don't have you drooling already, just wait until you hear the full scoop on Kia's new EV9 GT coming in 2026. This isn't just another electric SUV. It's an electrified performance machine disguised as a family vehicle. To truly appreciate the EV9 GT, let's first take a quick look at Kia's journey into the world of EVs. While relatively new to the all-electric game, Kia has been making waves with their dedicated EV lineup, starting with the e-Niro and EV6 models. The EV6 in particular showcased Kia's ambition, boasting an EPA-rated range of up to 310 miles, ultra-fast 800-volt charging from 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes, and a potent GT trim that could hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds thanks to its 576 horsepower dual-motor setup. But even the EV6 GT is just an appetizer compared to the main course that is the EV9 GT. This new flagship electric SUV takes everything great about the EV6 and dials it up to 11. Under the sleek body panels, the EV9 GT will pack the most powerful electric powertrain Kia has ever produced. A dual permanent magnet synchronous motor setup, one at each axle, will combine to churn out a monstrous 690 horsepower and an insane 735 pound-foot of earth-rotating torque. Let those numbers sink in for a moment. 690 horsepower and 735 pound-foot in a family SUV. That's enough muscle to propel this 5,500-pound behemoth from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. To put that into perspective, that's quicker than a Porsche 911 Carrera S, Audi R8 V10, and even the new Corvette Z06. This three-row SUV will simply devour anything in its path off the line. The stoplight drag strip will be your new playground. But straight-line performance is just the start. Thanks to an advanced E4 wheel-drive system with torque vectoring, the EV9 GT will handle like a much smaller, lighter sports car. A dual-motor GDI setup precisely controls power delivery to each wheel, maximizing traction and minimizing understeer. Combine that with an electronically controlled limited-slip differential on the rear axle, and you have a recipe for mind-bending agility and cornering prowess in this big brute. The EV9 GT will also utilize a state-of-the-art 5-link rear suspension design that helps maintain excellent body control and flat cornering attitudes, even when pushing hard. Up front, an advanced double wishbone setup works in tandem with adjustable dampers and stabilizer bars to further sharpen turn-in response. And just in case you want to bring the party to a stop in a hurry, the EV9 GT will come equipped with massive 15.8-inch two-piece ventilated and drilled brake rotors up front, clamped by 6-piston monoblock calipers. Out back, you'll find 15-inch ventilated rotors with 1-piston calipers, bringing all 5,500 pounds of this electric monster to a halt from 60 miles per hour will only require 110 feet of stopping distance. Now for the battery and range details. To feed that ferocious dual-motor powertrain, Kia will fit the largest battery pack they've ever produced, a 100-kilowatt lithium-ion unit utilizing the latest cell-to-pack technology for improved packaging and cooling efficiency. Preliminary estimates from Kia have the EV9 GT's range clocking in at around 290 miles on a full charge. While that number may seem lower than some rivals, it's important to remember that this is a high-end performance GT trim, packing immense power and straight-line performance. More efficient non-GT trims could likely push 325 miles or more of range from that same 100-kilowatt pack. And when it does come time to recharge, the EV9 will be able to take advantage of the latest 800-volt ultra-rapid charging technology. On a 350 kilowatt charger, you'll be able to replenish the battery from 10 to 80% in around 18 minutes, letting you add over 210 miles of range in the time it takes to grab a quick snack. But the real treat with the EV9 GT is going to be its stunning, tech-laden interior and futuristic exterior design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this electric SUV screams premium style and luxury. Up front, the lighting signature is pure Kia, with those signature wraparound LED daytime running lights that look like they were plucked straight from a concept car. The headlight housings themselves integrate sleek vertical LED projectors and sweeping LED accent lights for a truly distinctive front-end look. The wide, aggressive stance is accentuated by bulging squared-off fenders that give it an imposing road presence. Around back, a full-width LED light bar spans the entire tailgate, flanked by vertical LED accent lamps for a truly unmistakable lighting signature. This SUV is guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. Enhancing that head-turning style are a set of absolutely massive 22-inch alloy wheels that somehow don't look out of place filling those swollen fender arches. These lightweight forged alloys are wrapped in beefy 28-40-22 performance tires for maximum grip in all conditions. But the real magic happens once you open those electric power doors and step inside the spacious 7-passenger cabin. You're immediately greeted by a truly impressive 27-inch ultra-wide curved glass display that spans nearly the entire width of the dashboard in one seamless, integrated unit. This isn't some gimmicky party trick, though. This cockpit display leverages the latest OLED technology for perfect blacks, infinite contrast ratios, and eye-searing 4K resolution. Powered by the latest NVIDIA processors and Kia's new UX software, the result is a smooth, intuitive interface with stunning graphics and visuals. The main infotainment display is complemented by a digital instrument cluster directly in front of the driver, all blending into that single arching glass panel. It creates an immersive experience that makes you feel like you're starring in your own sci-fi cockpit. But the tech doesn't stop there. The EV9 GT will be available with an augmented reality heads-up display that can project directional arrows, points of interest data, and even enhance night vision directly in your line of sight on the windshield. It's like having your own real-life video game HUD while driving. For the audiophiles out there, you'll be able to option the EV9 GT with a thumping 23-speaker Meridian surround sound system that rivals the best home theater setups. With aluminum speaker grills and premium speaker placements throughout the cabin, it creates an enveloping 3D soundstage that will blow you away, whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or watching a movie on that massive center display. The interior space and versatility is equally as impressive as the tech and performance. With a flat floor afforded by the EV skateboard platform, the EV9 GT offers cavernous room for 7 adults to ride in comfort, or fold the rear rows down to open up the 100 cubic feet of cargo room. Heated and ventilated Nappa leather seats come standard, with higher trims offering a premium semi-aniline quilted leather upgrade that feels as soft as butter. Real open-pore wood trim adorns the door panels and portions of the dash, perfectly complementing the aluminum speaker grills and premium-feeling switchgear. When it comes to hauling your toys like bikes, kayaks, or even camping gear, the EV9 GT has you covered, with an available tow package that will allow you to pull trailers of up to 7,700 pounds. Impressive for a dedicated EV platform. That's just a taste of what the insane 2026 Kia EV9 GT has to offer. From the mind-blowing performance to the cutting-edge tech and premium interior, this electric SUV is going to reset expectations for what a family hauler can be. But I want to hear from you. If you had the chance to design the ultimate electric performance SUV like the EV9 GT, what single feature would you absolutely have to include? A massaging driver's seat with a built-in refrigerated cup holder? Gull-wing doors? A built-in pet grooming station in the trunk? Let me know your dream EV9 GT feature in the comments below. And if this in-depth look at Kia's electrified future has you excited, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more electrifying automotive coverage.